If you've ever wanted to turn a regular photo into a graphic, stylized portrait in Photoshop, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a portrait design with bold, eye-catching effects, perfect for posters, social media, or even unique gifts. Ready to bring your images to life with a creative twist? Let's jump in. First things first, we want to work on a copy of our original image just in case we want to make changes later. So once your photo is open in Photoshop, simply duplicate the image layer. You can do this by right-clicking on the layer in your Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer. Alternatively, the keyboard shortcut is Command-J on Mac or Control-J on Windows. Duplicating gives us a safety net, so if anything goes wrong, your original photo remains untouched. It's a simple step, but one that keeps your workflow flexible and stress-free. Now with the duplicated layer selected, let's convert it to a smart object. To do this, right-click on your new layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This might sound a little technical, but what it really means is you're making your edits non-destructive. Think of a smart object as a protective wrapper around your image. It lets you apply filters and effects, and if you change your mind later, you can adjust or remove those tweaks without losing any quality. Trust me, especially with creative designs, being able to go back and modify your choices can save a lot of headache. Okay, now for the fun part, the filter effects. With your Smart Object layer active, head up to the Filter menu at the top of Photoshop and choose Filter Gallery. Here you'll see a whole bunch of artistic options. For this portrait look, we're aiming for something bold, so scroll through until you find the Halftone Pattern filter. Halftone gives your image those classic pop art dots, turning your photo into something that looks like it popped out of a comic book or an old-school newspaper. Click on Halftone and now you get to customize it. You'll see sliders for size, contrast, and pattern type. Take your time here, play with the size slider to adjust how big the dots are, and tweak the contrast until you get a look that feels punchy but not overwhelming. If you're going for a retro vibe, larger dots work well, but for more detail, keep them smaller. There's no exact right way, so experiment a little. Remember, you can always hit cancel if you want to back out and try again. Once you're happy, click OK. Next, we'll give the design even more graphic punch by adding a threshold adjustment. Go to Image Adjustments Threshold. The Threshold tool turns everything in your photo into pure black and white. You'll see a slider appear. Drag it left or right to find the sweet spot where your portrait is bold but still recognizable. If you notice your image losing too much detail, ease off a little. This step is great for making your design pop off the page, but don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the balance just right. This is where your artistic judgment comes in. Look for strong outlines and contrast without losing the essence of your subject, and that's it. In just a few steps, you've turned your photo into a striking graphic portrait design in Photoshop. From duplicating and protecting your source image, to using smart objects for flexibility, to applying halftone and threshold for an unforgettable look, all these choices combine to give you total creative control. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Photoshop tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative design tutorials. I can't wait to help you level up your next project. See you in the next video.